Another day, another Toyota vlog. Hello everyone! Today, let me share with you the fuel consumption of each hybrid we have in Toyota. First, we have the Toyota Yaris Cross. If you are looking for a 5-seater Toyota hybrid that is practical and tipid sa fuel, this is a perfect option. Perfect for everyday city driving. Next, we have the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. 5-seater din siya but a bit more spacious compared to the Yaris Cross Hybrid. So, if you want extra comfort and room, this might be the better fit for you. Now, if you have a bigger family, we also have the Toyota Zenix Hybrid. This one is a 7-seater, super ideal for road trips or family outings. Plus, you get that fuel efficiency. At the end of the day, whether city, highway, or combined driving, hybrids are designed to be fuel efficient. At sa patuloy na pagtaas ng presyo ng gasolina, malaki talaga ang matitipid kapag naka-hybrid ka na. Yan lang. Thank you. God bless and love, love.